Vastar Repair Toolkit for Xbox One 360, PS3, PS4, PS5 Controller Xbox Series X, S, 12 and 1 T6 T8 T10 Xbox One Screwdriver set with cross screwdriver 1.5, Safe Pry Tools, Cleaning Brush Cloth and EDA Bag. Visit the Vastar store. Multifunction Kit. This is a multifunction screwdriver repair toolkit, including Torx T6/T8/T10 and Phillips screwdriver 1.5, suitable for Xbox 360, Xbox One controllers and PS3, PS4, PS5 controllers and many common electronic devices. High-quality material. The screwdriver bit is made of high-quality S2 steel, which is harder, more precise and more durable than the silver CRV drill bit. The handle is made of PPR and PP materials, non-slip and flexible, easy to use, light and flexible. Easy to carry. Comes with an exquisite EDA bag for convenient storage of tools and protects your repair tools from damage. Magnetized screwdriver bit. All magnetic screwdriver bits can perfectly grasp and fix small screws to avoid falling or losing, which is convenient for your application. Note: because of the product update, the plastic pry tools, plastic triangle pry tools and the products you received may be blue, will not affect the use. Please understand if there is any inconvenience. T6/T8/T10 is used to open the Xbox controller, and cross screwdriver 1.5 is used to open the PS3/PS4/PS5 controller and other electronics. The professional screwdriver set for Xbox will protect your controller and nails, making your repair and cleaning work easier. It's really handy kit with an exquisite EDA storage bag, which facilitates removal and storage of tools, avoids the loss of tools and is easy to carry. The flexible caps at the bottom of Xbox screwdrivers handles rotate smoothly that make the maintenance job effective. Package included: 1 T6x50mm screwdriver head with a middle hole, 1 T8x50mm screwdriver head with a middle hole, 1 T10x50mm screwdriver head with a middle hole, 1 cross 1.5 by 50mm, 1 premium metal double-headed crowbar, 2 plastic pry tools, 2 plastic triangle pry tools, 1 wooden handle brush, 1 ultrafine microfiber cleaning cloth, 1 exquisite EDA storage bag.